Hello everyone! Chef Jade here. Today we're going to talk about an everyday dish, rice. Cooking rice teaches us two crucial and simple skills that make our lives easier when cooking. Reading labels and proportions. We must always read the labels to understand the product we're cooking. In today's recipe, there are three crucial pieces of information needed in order to end up with a perfect dish. 1. How much rice do you want to cook? 2. How much water do we need? 3. How long will this rice cook? It can vary by the type of rice. All this information must be clear on the product label. Usually, we cook from 16 to 18 minutes and use twice the water for one measure of rice. That's the proportion. If we want to talk as a professional, you can say 2-to-1 water to rice ratio. Important! To make the proposition/ratio work, make sure you're using the same cup to measure all ingredients. Check out below our 8 steps for a bowl of perfect rice. For this recipe, you will need a medium pan, a colander, and a cooking spoon. Wash the rice using a colander until the water gets clear. We want to get rid of the dust. Read the label to make sure of the proportion of water to rice. Usually it's 2-to-1, water to rice. Bring water to boil in a medium pan. Set the lid on to make this process faster. Once it reaches boiling temperature, you should add some salt, oil, or butter and the rice. Remember, we should add these ingredients only after it begins to boil faster. Here's a tip: add some bay leaf for an extra flavor. Let it cook with the lid on for around 16 to 18 minutes. Easy tip: set your clock for 16 minutes and check if it's perfectly cooked by eating one. If there's leftover water, you should drain it out. For our last step, leave it there. Let the rice rest for a while with the lid on to make sure all the grains complete their cooking process. Rice is great as a side dish along with sautéed vegetables and some protein. It's a very balanced dish. Tell me your favorite main dish combination with some white rice, posting on social media with the hashtag #JadesCookingTips.